Hello and welcome to the WSWHE BOCES Emergency Online Classroom Toolkit. In this video, we will be looking at the stream within Google Classroom. So here I am on my Google Classroom homepage, and I can see the classes that I have set up. I'm going to open up my English 11 class, and you're going to see that it immediately takes you to the stream. You also have your classwork, people, and your grades tab. But today we're going to talk about the stream. On this page, you have a lot of great options. You can see the title. You can also see the class code. So if you have a new student or you need to add a student or you just need to access that code for some reason, you have it here. If you need to display it in your classroom, you can click on it to make it larger, and then you can click on it again to make it full screen. And this is really helpful when you're first getting your kids onto that classroom. Below that, you're going to notice that you can select a theme. So maybe you want to change the theme to something else. So since this is an English class, maybe you want a journal. You change that and it clicks it over to something else, or you can even upload a photo of your students or something from your classroom that you'd prefer to have on there. Now you'll notice underneath here that I have a box over here that says upcoming, and it says no work due soon. But if in classwork I had created something that had a due date, those due dates are going to show up on the left-hand side for your students. Everything else that is happening looks just like a Facebook kind of stream. Anytime you post classwork, it's going to show up here. If you want to leave a comment for your students, hello and welcome. You can add a link into something. You can send it to more than one class. You can choose how many students you want to send it to. You can, just like you could in classwork, you can schedule it if you're only sending it to one class, and then you can save as a draft or you can post it right away. So let me show you that. I'm going to take out one of these classes and I can click on schedule, and then I can choose when I want this to show up. So maybe I'm not going to start this class until Wednesday. I pick Wednesday, maybe at 8 a.m. I hit schedule, and it's not going to show up until Wednesday at 8 a.m. All right. If I want to reuse a post that I've done before, I can click on it and I can pick any class that I want and any post that I've ever done. Anything I've saved saves up here where it says saved announcements. If I decide, you know what, I don't want to send that, I can hit the trash can and delete that out. Ways to use your stream for more than just showing students what you've posted. You can use this to have a conversation. So you might ask a question and say, you know, what did you think about chapter 3? And then your students can respond to this as, you know, maybe they might say, can you believe he did that? Or something along those lines. And then students can have a conversation about whatever it is that you had posted within the stream. So it's a great way to have a conversation where maybe you can practice good digital citizenship and some good skills for having conversations online. And that's pretty much the basics of the stream.